My router table is now finished. I built a fence on the table. I have a nice Jessem II lift. It has a super smooth action. Easy to adjust. I have a fence that is adjustable. So I can set the width as much as I want, as little as I want. I made for some overlap, and also left about an inch here that I can cut down square again after I cut into the edges if I need to. I have T-track installed for feather boards and stop blocks. Put in a vacuum adapter tapped to my shop vac, and put in a switch to turn on the vacuum and which is much easier than trying to go underneath to find the power switch. There. I just have to remember to turn it off when I'm taking the router out for other things, so that it doesn't turn on me as soon as I plug it in. And because I'm very space limited, my workshop is this little 8x10 shed, I have made my router table semi-portable, and it just sits into my workmate. So if you look underneath, underneath I have a couple stop blocks so that I can just clamp it into place, secured. I'm rather pleased with this. And now I can start building some fun stuff.